What's up, beauty crew, and welcome back to She Does Beauty. And if you're new, hello. In today's video we're going to be doing a spooky Halloween design. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I am laying down that cover Peach by Young Nails because I'm going to be doing a black ombre, and when I do my ombres I love to have that base layer as kind of a blending layer. So I'm just going to lay that down just enough to where my tip and my nail bed, or where you glue the nail tip, meet. And then I'm going to take that glitter, it's called Xcaret, I want to say. Don't quote me on that, I'm not great at pronouncing that, but I'll have that link down below. It's really just a black glitter with a couple of purple, blue, and like green specks throughout it. So I thought it would be perfect for this design. After ombreing that back in, I'm just taking that cover Peach and I'm going to take that to the cuticle and just blend that out with the black glitter. Now, ombre is all subjective. It's all based on how you like it. If you like more of the tip color showing, then I would add more of the tip color. If you like more of the peach and the nude or the pink that you use coming towards the tip, then definitely add more of that. It's just all up to you, what you like, what your client or your friends like, and just keep playing with it. Practice makes perfect. It's all up to you. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So I want the black to be a little bit more prominent, so I'm going to add just one more layer of black over that nude and just keep blending that out. Black is a tricky color to work with, so if you want to take some of that black pigment off, make sure your brush is really clean. Just keep wiping it on that napkin just so you can get some of that pigment a little bit easier to blend in with the peach. So now I'm just going to glue on the little star and moon shapes that I got in my last haul video. I'll go ahead and link that down below so that you guys can get these. I want to say I got them on Amazon. I'm pretty sure I got them on Amazon, but I'm just going to use the Zule nail adhesive to get them to stick on there and stay. When you're encapsulating with the Zule nail adhesive, you just want to make sure that it is dry before you add your top coat. You just want to make sure that you're not going to damage your brush, or none of the glue is going to get on the bristles, because then it'll ruin your brush. After we place those where we want them, we are going to take out some bats that I printed out. You can find these on my Etsy shop, She Does Beauty. And we're going to make the bats come from the black and up to the moon. And we're going to do kind of like a zigzaggy shape, but you just want to play with it and mess around with them, move them to your liking, and then we're going to encapsulate them. I'm already loving how this nail look is coming along. I think it's so like sophisticated, but like Halloween spirit, you know. I love it. I think this would be super cute, like even with some black French tips or a black ombre, and this as an accent. Ooh, yes, I would love that. Now, once we've played with those bats and gotten them to our liking, we are going to encapsulate the entire nail. I like to encapsulate with acrylic, but you can also encapsulate with your hard gel, or if you wanted to do these at the end and just glue on your star and your moon and have those where you can feel them, and then put your bats on and then do a gel top coat over the bats to protect them. However you do it, it's up to you. I like to use acrylic, so we're doing an encapsulation with acrylic. And like I always say, you want to make sure that your sides are clean because it just really truly helps you out in the end. You're not sitting there having to file for an extra 20 to 30 minutes, and you can just apply your top coat, do a little filing, and move on. Now once we're done with that encapsulation, we are going to file, shape, and buff our nail, and then we are going to add our top coat. And now our hard work comes together with that beautiful shiny top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this design. I know I'm in love with it. I'm so in love. I love these bats. I love the black. I love the little glitter. I love it all. So if you're new here, I hope you subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.